how to create 0.5 on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create 0.5 on TikTok. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, in order to record the video, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of this interface. Now, you will be able to record the video. Here, if you're using the iPhone, you will have an option to go to 0.5 once you pinch on your screen. But if you're on your Android device, here you'll not have any of that option. Now here you get two options. Either you can switch to your photo mode, and from here you can use these wide angle features once you tap on this arrow-like icon from this menu bar at the top right corner. If you tap on this arrow-like icon, you will see the wide angle on your video and you can simply start recording from your photo mode. But if you don't want to use the photo mode, and you can use the filters instead of the photo mode. Here, tap on the filter icon and tap on view all effects, and in the search icon, search for 0.5. Then you will see this various kind of wide camera that's going to help you do 0.5. So here select one of the filters, and once you are here, this will help you capture your video on 0.5x. So in this way you can create 0.5x on TikTok, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.